So our goal is to dissect the mechanism how the tumors can communicate with its neighboring cells. If we can find out the mechanism to explain how this communication occurs, we might be able to find a way to stop the tumor growth from the beginning. So hopefully that's our goal, to fight against cancer in the future. So the reason why we can use this little creature as a model to study cancer is because most of the genes that exist in humans also exists in these little creatures, fruit flies. For example, around 75% of the disease-causing genes can be found in Drosophila. So that's one of the major reasons we can use this creature as a model to study cancer. Actually, majority of the cancer-relating genes are initially identified in Drosophila, and then later on people confirm these findings in mammals, in humans. For example, like the well-established, well-known tumor suppressor gene p53 and the oncogene RAS, both of these genes can be found in Drosophila. So we can use fruit fly as a model to mimic the tumor situation in the human. So in order to find a better way to understand how the tumor can grow, communicate, to migrate, to invade. Now we are trying to develop some new techniques or tools to study how a single cell, not only the tumor per se, but also how the tumor cells could affect its neighboring tumors. And additionally, we also want to study how those tumors can affect distant organs as well. So in short, so we want to dissect how the intercellular communication and the inter-organ communication affect a tumorigenesis process. And of course, eventually we will try to establish a mouse-related tumor model as well to find whether the findings that were identified in the Drosophila model is evolutionarily conserved in the mammals or in the human beings, if that is possible. So that's what we want to do. So hopefully in the future we can find some new directions to explain how the tumors can grow and collaborate and communicate with its neighboring regions. So maybe we can find a different angle to fight against the cancer. So that's our purpose in the future.